Adhya from Adhya's Activity Box. Summer is almost here and I wanted to make some deck decor for my deck. This year, I think my theme would have to be, how about beach theme? So, this year, my deck is going to be beach themed. So, I wanted to walk you through the steps of making these beautiful deck decors for your deck. So, step 1 is to get any crates. You can get them at your local craft store or your local hardware store. And the second step is to tie these two together. So you can see here that there's string. So tie these two together. And I painted it. I painted it this blue relaxing color. And on the top, what I like about it is I put this piece of fabric. You can use any piece of fabric here. I got this from Joanne. How I like to stick it on here is I like to put hot glue over here and stick it onto the top of the crate. And after it's all dried, to put Mod Podge on top. It doesn't really matter what Mod Podge it is. And these two would be your finished product. And when you decorate it like this, it's so beautiful. It looks so good at the afternoon time because the sun is shining on it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Enjoy your summer.